Making sense of the French you hear can be tricky for learners. Unlike English, letters individually and combined don't make the same sound as you'd expect. So spotting these patterns in words that you hear will help you make sense of the words and improve your understanding of spoken French words. Watch this video so I can help you do just that. For the best step-by-step French learning tips and simple explanations, subscribe to my channel, French Speak. And if you hit the bell below, you'll be notified every time I share a new video. Let's dive in. Let's start with our vowels. OU. This is very similar to the double O sound in English that you'll find in words like zoo and tu. Bouche, soupe, accoucher. Then we have AU, EAU, Australie, autant, beauté. For this one, students often write WAH. This combination helps them for phonetically saying noix, croissant, soirée, boisson. For these, we have two pronunciation options. The closed E, de, je peux, coiffeuse, or the open E before two consonant or when it's the last vowel sound. Coiffeur, beurre, sœur. For this one, we have an E sound. Éclair, neige, verre, assiette, which is different to the closed E sound, which doesn't exist in English. Café, pâté, et, parler, fait. Oui. These two letters don't combine, but they're worth noting because they make a very distinct sound. U followed by I. Lui, bruit, celui, nuit, suivre. Then we have some combinations with consonants. BR, bravo, embrasser, novembre. We have that lovely sound. Novembre. When B or E at the last three letters, make sure to group the B with the previous syllable. It makes it easier to say novembre. For this sound, we need you to think of the word me in English. Champignon, signature, champagne. This one's not too hard to pronounce. Accompli, plaisir, peuple. Remember that when we have an E in final position with no accent, we say the L, peuple. This soft sound is chanson, acheter, lâcher, architecte, unless it's a Greek origin like the word Christ. This one sounds like F. Phare, alphabet, métaphore. Because we mainly ignore the H in French, you'll only need to pronounce T. Méthode, marathon, Athènes, télépathie. Then we have letter combinations based on mixing consonants and vowels, and they create a new sound. ILL. It makes the sound of Y, like in yes or yellow. Briller, cheville, coquillage, mouillé. I've made a whole video with lots of examples on that one, and I will link to it too. This one is pronounced like K in kid. Qualité, 40, lequel, qui, quotidien. Here we have two short sounds. First O, then un. Loin, pointure, conjoint, coincé. The nasal sounds are also in a separate video, but here are some of the spellings. It's a long list, and all of these make the same sound, so make sure you pay attention to these letter combinations. Fin, fin, parfum. Then we have on, ton, tombe, pont, pompe. And the third sound is en, tant, tante, tante. We have psy in psychologie. We have ti in sortie, partie, apprenti, but not in suprématie and diplomatie. Different origins. O followed by two consonants, and an I makes an O. Tonne, mignonne, championne, colonne. And all these words that end in these endings, I've also got lots of examples for you to practice in another video. But they sound like sion, passion, éruption, collation, admiration. There you have it. So many letter combinations to remember. However, once you know these rules, French is very consistent. You will love to know that once you've memorized these rules and you start seeing them and get a good feel for when it should be pronounced this or that way, there are rules behind all of it, unlike English, I have to say, where you can really follow what you've learned and apply it to any new words that you come across. So it does get easier. You need to do the work up front for this, and then you'll be able to say everything you like. To help learners like you gain even more confidence in speaking and understanding more French, I've created a special training called Tricky French Sounds. So you can learn to spot those typically French sounds when you hear them and perfect how you say them yourself. It's free and you can watch it here at bit.ly/Tricky French Sounds. I will put the link in the description of this video. Enjoy. I hope you go and watch it. Alors voilà mes amis, thank you so much for watching, and remember that if you enjoyed this video, si vous avez aimé cette vidéo, the best way to say j'aime cette vidéo is by giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with another language lover just like you. Au revoir.